Welcome back, students of 6th class. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher, present before you to revise chapter number 1, exercise 1D, from exercise 1D to test paper first. That means in this video lecture, we will talk about a little bit of the topics which are related to the questions, and we will discuss a review of exercises from 1D to test paper. So first we will look at the exercise 1D, friends. So in this exercise we have to solve three types of questions, like estimate the value to the nearest 10, or the estimate the value to the nearest 1000, and estimate the value to the nearest 100. Okay, so friends, as you can see on the board, that there are three types of questions that we have taken on the board. So look at the first says estimate each sum to the nearest 10. So estimate to the nearest 10, so there is two cases, there arises two cases, and we have taken both the cases, that means there are both the cases in it. So in these questions there are two cases in solving as to the nearest 10. So see friends, here 77 plus 63. The question says estimate each sum to the nearest 10. First of all, we have to write the estimated value of 77 to the nearest 10 and 63 to the nearest 10 as well. Then we can add their values and we'll find the answer. Okay friends, now in order to write the nearest to the nearest 10, first we have to see the ones place value. So here in 77, friends, the ones place value is 7, which is greater than 5. So the tens place value is increased by 1, and ones place digit is changed to 0. Okay friends, so this could be written as 8, this changed as 0. Now here is the plus, friend, plus. Now what about 63, friends? Because friends, we have to estimate to the nearest 10, so we have to look at the ones place digit just before the digit, ones place. So ones place is 3, friends, which is less than 5. Okay, now 6 cannot be changed, friend. Tens place is as it is. Now this 3, this ones place digit is changed to 0. Now add their values, friends. 140. This is your final answer. I hope you can understand. You will understand. You can solve the questions. Okay friends, now see the next. Here the second type of questions, estimate each sum to the nearest 100, friends. In talking, suppose the question says to the nearest 100, we will have to see the tens place of digit. Here the set the nearest tens, and we have to see the ones place. Okay, and see which is greater than or equal to 5 or less than. Okay, now this is solution is, now see friends, first 236, first we have to estimate this value, then this, then add. Okay, and we'll get the answer. Here 200, this is ones tens. Here the look at the friends, tens place is 3, which is less than 5, friends. So this 2 is as it is, and all these two numbers, when this and this will change as 0. Okay, 200. Now add. So look at the friends, here the ones tens place is 8, and the 8 is, friends, greater than 5. If the 8 is greater than 5, then this 100 plus digit is increased by 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. And 8 and all the digits except 6 change to 0 and 0. Now this could be written as 900 friends. I hope you will understand. Now next, the last type of question, estimate each sum to the nearest 1000. That means first of all we have to estimate this value and this value, then add. So here we have to estimate the value nearest 1000. Once tens 1000, once tens 100,000 friends. Look at that, means we have to look at the 100,000 plus 100 plus digit. So this is the 100 plus digit 8 friends, and this is which is greater than 5. Okay, so before this number 8, this 3 will increased, this 2 is increased by 1. So this become 3, and this is also 2 plus 1, 3, and all the digits except 3 and 32 means change to 0, 0 and 0, and write the plus sign. Now here friends, look at the 100 place digit. Here 100 plus digit is 4, and which is friends 4 less than 5. Okay, so this 16, 6 and 1 cannot be changed. This is as it is friends. Now all the numbers, all the digits except 16 change to 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now add their values friends. If you add their values, you will get, this is 9, 6 plus 3, this is 4, and 3 times 0. So this is your answer friends. I hope you will solve all the questions. Now move to the next exercise. Now friends, in exercise 1E, this is the these are the similar type of questions. Okay, first we have to estimate the value. Okay, then multiply and we will get the answer. And I have already discussed in the exercise 1D just a couple of seconds ago that 3 types of questions. Okay, so please, with the help of them, you can proceed and we can solve all the questions of exercise 1E. If you have any doubt or questions in exercise 1E, so please contact me, send the problems through the WhatsApp. I will reply, I will solve the problems. Okay, now see exercise 1F. Look at the friends 1F. Now question says find the estimated, find the estimated quotient for each of the following Now here question number 1, and now take the question 1, 87 divided by 28, and the question 9, 858 divided by 39 friends. Now friends, see the solution of these 2 questions. If once understand, then we can easily solve all the sums. Actually you have all are aware about the question and all the candidates have already solved. Even this is the revision purpose, so please look at. Now 87, first 87 divided by 28. Okay friend, so first we have, and the question said estimated quotient. Quotient means this upon this, and find the value, you will get the quotient. Okay, now they find the estimated quotient for each. Estimated means, first of all, see the friends, this is 2 digit numbers, 2 digits number. Okay, now look at the friends, this is 80 and this is 90 in between them. So, and this is 87. 87 is here friends, because 87 is just nearest to 30 and 87 is very far away from 80. So the nearest value of 87, if we round it from estimated, means 90. So 87 changed as 90 friends, and divided by, and look at friends, 28. 28 is talking about the in between two number 20 and 30. Look at friends, and the 28 is here, and 28 is just near, closer and closer to 30, and 28 is very far away from 20. So the estimated value of 28 friends is 30. So this is why here is the 30. Now this can be written as friends 90 divided by 30. So 31 ja and 33 ja. So the 3 is your answer friends. Now next question, look at friend. This is 8 and this is 3 digit numbers. This is 3 digits number, and this is the 4 digit number. So see friends, question number 9 says 858 divided by 39. So first we are going to estimate this value. This here is the, suppose this is 800 and there is 900. Look at the friends. So this is 858 is approaching to 900, and this is a little bit far from 800 than 900, but it is much more closer to 900 friend, because 858, because this is far away from 800. So this value 858 is nearer to 900 than 800. Okay, this is why we can write instead of 858 as 900. Okay, and divided by, look at the friends, 39. 39 is 30 and the 40 friends. So 39 is just closer and closer to 40. So 39, the value of 39 is very far away from 30. So the estimated value of 39 we can take as 40. So look at the friends, 40. Now this could be written friends 900 divided by 40. So 110 will get cancelled friends. Now divide. This is 90 divided by 4 friends. 2 2 ja and 4 and 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja. So 45 divided by 2 friends. Now divide friends. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. Now point, and 2 5 ja 10. So friends, the value is 22 point. So this is 22.5. Okay friends. So here have a look friends. After point there is 5. Okay. So this can be written as 23 as approximate value. So the approximate value of this is 23. Okay. So this is your answer. Now we will move the next exercise, and the exercise is 1G. Look at, now see friends, before solving exercise 1G friends, there is some points, Roman numerals. This topic is Roman numerals, which is very interesting topic, and there is nothing but very simple, and we had already discussed, and you all are aware about Roman numerals. I know and you know. Okay, now even we are going to revise. First, what about the Roman numerals friends? 7 symbols which indicates the Hindu Arabic numeral friends, like I indicates first, V denotes 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000 friends. So these are the 7 Roman numerals friends. 7 symbols of Roman numerals. These are the symbols and which tell us the Roman numeral, which tell us the Hindu Arabic numeral as 1, 5, 10. Okay, these are called the Roman numerals. How many Roman numerals? How many symbols of Roman numerals friends? There are 7 symbols of Roman numeral. And now the one new thing is friends, if the bar is placed over any Roman numeral, like suppose the bar is placed over 5v, this is nothing, this is 500 times multiplied with their original value. So the value of 5 is 5 and 100 times multiply means 1000, sorry, 1000 times multiply with their value, that means 5000. So v bar means 5000. Suppose the bar is placed over x, so the value of x is 10 friends and multiply by 1000. Bar means 1000 multiplied by its value, so this will becomes 10,000 friends. I hope you will understand. Okay, this is the meaning of bar. Okay, so there are much more further meanings about the subtraction of some Roman numbers from some Roman numerals. Okay, on the basis of this we will solve questions from exercise 1G. So friends, the repetition of Roman numerals is nothing friends but the adding of their values, and I know friends I, x, c and m can be repeated. Remember friends, I, x, c, m. I, x, c, m can be repeated, can be repeated. V, L and D are never repeated friends. V, L and D are never repeated. Okay, now the third point, no symbol in Roman numerals can be repeated. No symbols of Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times friends. No Roman symbols can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay friends, now see the next. And there are some rules friends. Repetition of Roman numerals in means the addition of their values. Suppose x can be repeated, so that means 10 plus 10, so this equal to 10 plus 10, this is 20. So repetition of Roman numerals means addition of their values. Okay, because no Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. This maximum of repetition is 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 friends, this is 30. If you write the 10 multiply by 10 x 4 times 4, 10 plus 10 plus 10 once again 10, this is 40. So this is wrong friends. Remember, this is wrong because no Roman numerals can be repeated more than 3 times. 3 बार से अधिक किसी भी रोमन सिंबल्स को रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. अगर 4 टाइम करेंगे तो ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू विल बी क्लियर. Now see friends, because suppose a smaller Roman numerals is placed before the greater, like suppose this is here, I is the smaller Roman numerals, okay, and x is the greater value of Roman numerals. So when the smaller Roman numerals is placed before the greater, then there is subtraction of their values, means 10 minus 1, this is 9. Remember friends. Okay, now the next rule is when the smaller Roman numerals is placed after the greater, like this is greater, this is smaller. When the smaller Roman numeral is placed after greater, then there is add their values. This is 10 and this is 1. So this is 11 friends. I hope you will be clear. With the help of this, we can easily solve all the questions of exercise 1G friends. And we had already solved 1G question. Okay. Now next friends, you please all read and go through page number 18, page number 17, 18 as well, and solve all the question. If you have any doubt or queries, please ask me, contact me. I will solve the problems, your problem. Okay. Now see the next. Now see friends, exercise 1H. All questions are objective. Okay. And question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are very simple question. Place value type of question, face value. Find the difference between place and face value. Question number 4 is the smallest counting number is 1 friends. And now 5 question, we have taken question number 5. Very interesting question and tricky question. How many 4-digit numbers are there? And this type of question we had already solved in the exercise problem and examples. Now see, how many 4-digit numbers are there? A 8,999, B 9,000, C 8,000, and D none of these. First find, sir. I have already discussed 2 tricks in order to solve this question. First friends, suppose this question is given 4-digit numbers. Okay, first to write is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, 4-digit number, 4 and 3 times. So the smallest 4-digit number friends, this is 1000. Okay, 1 2 3 3 times 0. Okay, now the required answer friends, required value or answer is equal to, then multiply 4, because 4-digit number we have to find the 4-digit number. How many 4-digit numbers, means we have to multiply 4 with the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, now this is, sorry, we have to multiply 9 friends, then 9 multiply by, now first write the smallest 4-digit number friends. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000, because 1 2 3 4 digit. Now the required value means the required number of 4-digit numbers. So the number of 4-digit numbers, then multiply 9 with the smallest 4-digit number, and we will get 9 1 9, 3 times 0. So this is your answer friends. So the B is correct answer. This is the first method that I discussed you. Now the second method which is given in your book. The second method is first write the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, then first they write, second method, first they write the smallest digit number and then the greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number is 4 times 9. Now required answer. So the required answer is, then subtract, okay, and then add 1, and we will get 9000 answer friends. So friends, B is correct option. And we got 2 methods to find out this type of question friends, and this is from your book and that was from me that I discussed with you. Okay, so please remember, this is very shortcut method, and you have to. Now friends, see test paper 1 friends. So test paper 1s are very simple questions friends, and we had already discussed in the previous exercise, and these are the mix of the previous exercises friends. So please look at all the questions and try to solve all the sums, because you all are aware, even you have to follow the same, you have to find out the solutions. Okay, once again, if you have any doubt, questions, queries, please ask me, contact me. I will solve the problem. I have already given all the tools to find out the solution of every question. So I hope you will do friends, you will do so, and solve all the questions. So homework friends, your homework to revise and resolve all the questions of exercise 1D, 1E, 1F, 1G, 1H and test paper first. Okay friends, have a nice day.